Hey everyone, it's Matt at Texas Made Cycles, and today I have a 2021 Electric Glide Standard on the lift for our winter performance special. I kind of want to make this video go over it and kind of give you a visual what's all included in this special. So you bring your bike into us, we talk about what cam options you may want to do to your bike or any performance upgrades. This customer decided on a S&S 465 cam, which is a torque cam from S&S. He also got to choose chrome or black pushrod tube covers. He went with black, which comes with the adjustable push rods. Outside of that, we provided the lifters. We provided all gaskets that are needed, O-rings, cam bearing, oil, filter, and that includes install and dyno tuning. He already had a Power Vision tuner, so there's no extra parts that he needed to purchase outside of our kit. He did want to upgrade his tappet cuffs to metal from S&S. Instead of the stock plastic ones. He is upgrading the cam cover to be gloss black and the transmission cover to be gloss black. Since the exhaust is already coming off, there's no extra labor charges for swapping out these covers. If you wanted to upgrade the exhaust, that would be covered. For labor, he would just have to purchase the exhaust itself. If you have any questions on this kit, give us a call at 936-346-8882, and any of this kit can be changed, altered, built upon, anything. So any questions, don't hesitate, give us a call. Thanks.